Last time we took a look at this Airsoft Masterpiece Giga slide, this one in titanium gray. It's a unique look, and with this huge Beretta-esque slide cut for that barrel, you might be wondering how it looks all mocked up. Previously, we took a look at these gorgeous steel aftermarket barrels, and it just had to mock up what titanium gray with gold would look like. Steel on aluminum is expectedly quite loud, which, depending on your preferences, could be a good or bad thing. But it's certainly a huge difference versus that stock plastic. I don't know about you, but this color combo looks really good to me, and I'm usually not a big fan of gold. Let us know in the comments what you think of this color combo.